Greetings everyone, Jake Bernstein with the Metals and Mining Report. We have a number of stocks we're looking at, but all of this depends on whether we get triggers or not. So let me show you. We've been talking about gold, and we've been indicating that although we are long-term bullish on gold, the short-term trend has turned bearish after the seasonal rally that we witnessed, and nothing has changed there. So if you go to the daily or the weekly, we still have downtrends in effect. We're waiting for opportunities to go along these markets. It has not happened yet. Now, one of the things we also looked at is the copper market, and we've recommended looking at COPX, which is the copper ETF. The feature in copper continues to be long-term accumulation by professional commercial traders. The COPX will be an alternative, a good proxy for copper when the trend finally turns bullish. That has not happened yet. Do not trade these markets from the long side or the short side on daily data. Use weekly data, and you can see the weekly has not turned in COPX. Now, important point of information. FCX, which is being accumulated by Carl Icahn, at least that's the latest information we have, has turned bullish on the daily charts, has given one complete bar below the bottom of the moving average channel. This is what we call a CMC trade, which stands for Cuban Missile Crisis, suggesting that if the indicator remains bullish without 2 bars below the bottom of the channel and Williams below its moving average, the probability is that we should trade back into the channel for a short-term trade. So all in all, to review the precious metals, take no strong action at this time based on short-term indicators or weekly indicators. Long-term, we continue bullish, but we're waiting for triggers, so stand aside. Copper is still our favorite right here, and on a long-term basis, palladium is our favorite as well. There are a number of ETFs in which you can trade palladium, or you can trade a diversified precious metals ETF as well. That does it for today. Thanks for being here. Give us a call, write us an email if you have any questions on anything we've told you today. And thanks for tuning in. Jake Bernstein signing off for 2Chimps.net.